What could be more boring than contracts, even for contractors? But construction agreements are critical, protecting you from an unscrupulous consumer screwing you over. A contract is like the lock on your back door. It keeps honest people honest. Contractor ProDoc's revolutionary two-part contract turns the industry-standard contingency contract on its ear. The majority of contract attorneys say standard contingency contracts are virtually unenforceable because they're too vague. The other huge problem that 95% of roofing and storm restoration contractors are not aware of is that many of their contracts are null and void the day the client signs them. Here's why. 44 states have some public adjuster licensing laws in place. To negotiate with anyone regarding an insurance claim is a crime. It's referred to as public adjusting without a license, or unauthorized practice of public adjusting. If your contract has any language in it like this at all, then it could very well cost you your business. We're talking bankruptcy. One of the largest roofing companies in the U.S., they do 8,000 roofs a year, was sued by one of its clients over this very thing. The judge not only ruled that the contractor's contract was null and void, but also that the contractor must return every penny that they collected for roofs and other work done under this contract upon request, going back to 2005. The vast majority of contractors' agreements that we have reviewed, which by the way is hundreds and hundreds, have substantially similar or other illegal language contained in them. Does yours? So, what should you do to shield yourself and your company? Contractor ProDocs to the rescue. We have partnered with one of the most experienced and knowledgeable contract attorneys in the country, who specializes in serving roofing and storm restoration contractors exclusively, and is even board certified in construction law by the Texas Board of Legal Specialization. Over the decades, we have read and reviewed hundreds upon hundreds of the best contractor agreements in existence. We took the best components of these agreements and created a super contract. Then, our attorney tightened them up and added in some of her own wonderful special sauce. Our Contractor ProDocs package has what we consider to be the hands-down best construction agreement for insurance restoration contractors. Our two-part contract makes the contingency contract absolutely obsolete. It includes what we call the magic box, which gives contractors extreme flexibility when dealing with difficult clients. The package includes comprehensive explanation of how our magic box works. Here's what you get. In addition to our revolutionary two-part contract, the Contractor ProDocs package is chock full of important, essential documents you need, including lien release, change order, tax-exempt authorization, commercial service agreement, subcontractor agreement, and more than a dozen more key documents. We take the time to explain, in common English, the purpose, function, and necessity behind every single clause in our contracts in a comprehensive instruction sheet. With your license, they're your company's contracts. You pick and choose what terms, clauses, and wording fits your needs. We license the use of the entire residential and commercial Contractor ProDocs packages to you with a renewal fee of only $95 annually. And this is for a perpetual license, which comes with free updates for all documents. How much would it cost to have a genius contract attorney create all these 20-plus documents, even if you and they knew what all to include? $5,000? $10,000? Heck, they'd likely charge $1,000 just to review your existing documents. And that's if you were able to locate a construction contract attorney that specializes in roofing or insurance restoration contractor agreements and could figure out all of our brilliant bells and whistles. Stop leaving yourself vulnerable to unscrupulous consumers with your own mediocre and possibly illegal null and void contracts. Simply choose residential or commercial, enter your company information, and we'll email you a download link for the revolutionary, cutting-edge two-part contract and all the other 20-plus super contractor documents as well. Get ready to be wowed. Sign up today.